Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast cover, and in today's video we will be checking out the 1973 Honda Civic Custom. Now this is number 8 out of 10 from Hot Wheels J Imports, and number 117 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this one up. So the Honda Civic Custom, we've seen it in green previously, which now they've made a sequel, but just that they've made some touches to the car and made a bit of a difference in terms of the livery, which is not bad. I'm a fan of it. I'm a fan of this Civic Custom, or well, the original name is supposed to be the Honda Civic CVCC, which I don't know why they put Civic Custom. We basically have like more than one Civic Custom now, which is like a different casting. We have the like EG9 Civic Custom, and now we have the CVCC Civic Custom. I don't know why they need to name it the same thing, but anyways, we have the CVCC in this awesome looking orange. Now I do like it that they made it an orange. You know me, I like orange cars, and still they look great. I mean, this car compared to what we got previously, the green Honda Civic Custom, basically CVCC, or also known as the sequel to Mr. Bean's Mini Cooper, or they call it as JDM Mini Cooper of Mr. Bean. Yeah, this is now changed up a bit in orange now, basically metallic orange. Very nice. It's very cool that they've made it now in metallic orange. It's very cool, very nice. Now they've done a touch of, I mean, a bit of changes, as you can tell. You can clearly tell it's from the hood, of course. Other than that, I don't really see much difference besides the black hood. I mean, like the change of the black hood. Other than that, it still pretty much looks the same. I don't remember the rims being the same. I'm not sure. I think they are the same. I mean, they have tiny rims, which is what only few cars use. But yeah, overall it's pretty nice. But yeah, let's take a look at the Honda Civic Custom CVCC, now in orange. Here it is. Now, like I said, you might remember I'm reviewing the green one, so now you're seeing me reviewing the orange one. So as you can see, disc, chrome silver, tiny rims. As you can tell, they are chrome silver, which is actually like pretty suitable. Not bad. I mean, it looks pretty good. So very clean on the side. No livery, no design or anything on the door, or maybe the whole part side of the car. Overall pretty clean, pretty nice. And of course there's no window visible here, as you can tell, just if you're wondering. Let's move on to the front. Now we do have the front bumper, front splitter right here, plastic one, which is right over here in black plastic, by the way. Very neat. And you have the X marked headlights, as you can tell, in circle shape, which is yeah, overall visible there, as you can tell. You have some grille details over there as well, and you have some silver trims all over like the front of the car, which is pretty simplistic. You have a license plate as well. It says Honda. At least they included a license plate, which is neat. You have a blacked out hood, which like I said, it does have a bit of a touch. You have an orange stripe as well as a yellow mini stripe on the side, which is a small touch, but still that's basically like the only change compared to the green one, which is not too bad. I mean, that's the only changes, but still it's fine. Nothing on the roof, pretty simplistic, and basically that's everything on the hood and also on the hood and also the roof. And let's move on to the front, the side. So here's the side. Yeah, I don't know why, for me, from the side it reminds me of a Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. But yeah, Here's the side, pretty clean and simplistic, just like the other side. Overall, pretty sick. Just, yeah, basically nothing. But yeah, let's move on to the back. You have an extended rear spoiler, which is basically like a lip. Transparent, yeah, transparent with the rear window, as you can tell. Honda Civic, it says Civic right there, and also Honda right there. You have the R logo, which is a tribute to Rio Sada, rest in peace. And yeah, you have the Hot Wheels license plate right there in white with the Hot Wheels logo in black, which is neat. And also you have the rear lights, as you can tell right there, just a small touch right there. Rear light and rear light over there. And yeah, you have the rear bumper, which is in black and also plastic. If you are wondering, there's the rear bumper right there. Pretty simple. Let's move on to the base. So 1973 Honda Civic Custom 2022 Mattel, sorry, made in Malaysia, Hot Wheels. Yeah, black base and plastic, just if you're wondering. Overall, like the fact that this car is basically lowered to the ground because, of course, it's a JDM Civic, so they had to do a lot of modifications to what Matchbox has done, which is the regular Honda Civic CVCC. And I like what they've done. Basically, they just interpreted the casting from Matchbox and developed the Hot Wheels version, just that they've done some touches. One of it is basically slightly wider fenders. They did like the height modification for the wheels, of course. They use smaller wheels, and of course you have that spoiler at the back, the rear lip. Of course you have the bigger rear bumper. Basically they've changed most of the car's parts basically. But yeah, I do really like what Mattel does and what they're doing in terms of taking Matchbox's castings and basically repurposing it by remodifying it basically. But I don't really like when they release the same thing again. For example, the Tesla Roadster, which Hot Wheels first released early 23, I think 2023, 2022, and then Matchbox copies them by releasing, well, basically the same thing, which is not really good. I mean, people don't know how to choose whether they want to take this specific brand or this specific brand. Like me personally, I would buy both, because why not? Hot Wheels, sometimes they have lacquer details compared to what Matchbox does, but still both of them are self-competing, even though they're under the same developer basically. Mattel, you know them. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Honda Civic Custom, or also known as the Honda Civic CVCC. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.